Hello dear friends, and welcome to the GEOCOAST. Here I'm standing in the center of Ballycotton Bay at Garrigo Beach, overlooking the Ballycotton Lighthouse, and I would like to show you one interesting feature which you can see here at low tide. So this is it. We're looking at some sort of concrete looking substance that is exposed here at low tide in the center of the bay. And what is it? When I ask people, like, they normally think it's human-made, like some remains of some ancient road or some sort of concrete work. But what it is in fact is, it's called periglacial pavement. Periglacial, it means formed at the forefront of the glacier. So when 20,000 years ago the whole area was covered by an ice sheet, and the thickness of ice was here was reaching about 200 meters, and when this ice was moving towards the south coast of Ireland, it was scraping the soils and rocks on its way. So some rocks been broken into large pieces. They're angular rocks, like they're not rounded like pebbles on the beach. You see all the rocks within this periglacial pavement, they're angular. And some rocks, they've been smashed into dust, like particles, into silt and clay-sized particles, and mixed with water from the melting ice, it actually formed the cement. So these larger pieces broken off by the glacier been cemented by smaller silt and clay-sized particles, and therefore forming these periglacial pavements, which you can see at few locations here in this bay.